Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super straightforward tutorial for you. How to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Let's jump right into it without any fuss. So you're in Messenger and there's this specific conversation where you've noticed the end-to-end encryption is enabled. You can tell because there's a little lock icon. Want to turn that off? Here's how you do it. First, head over to those three lines in the app. That's your main menu. From there, look for a gear icon, which is essentially your settings. Tap on that. Now you should scroll down until you find an option labeled Secret Conversations. However, just a heads up, not all devices have this option, and in my case, it's not here. But if it's there for you, simply click on Secret Conversations and disable it. Now on to the second method. Go back to your messages, find the specific conversation, long press on it, and then you have the option to delete it and start a new conversation. This is as simple as it gets. How do you know if you've successfully disabled end-to-end encryption in Messenger? Well, when you tap on the pencil icon to start a new message, make sure the encryption option is turned off. If it's off, you're all set. And there you have it, folks. That's how you disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. I'll see you in our next video.